Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook Shops logo on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the social media section next to the whiteboards option. At the Facebook section you can find the Facebook Shops logo and just tap on it. If you want to add pictures from your shops logo, go to the uploads button, and here you can upload image, videos and audio to the Canva, or go to the gallery section and you can select image and videos from your device, from your gallery. In the element section you can search different graphics elements and videos, photos, frames and other. If you go to the design section you can find its styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select one and step on it. If you want to change the color of this template, just go to the square icon next to the design button and just select another color. And if you want to move an element, just click that and move. If you want to change the text, just tap on it and write your text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.